How to fix TikTok app recharge problem. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, once inside the TikTok app, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the TikTok profile section. Now, once in there, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you will get to see settings and privacy on your screen. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down till the bottom unless you see report a problem option available there and tap on it. Now scroll down till the bottom again and tap on the chat with us option available there. Once you tap on the chat with us option, you'll be navigated to the TikTok bot. Here, all you have to do is write down the problem you are facing. Just write down how to fix TikTok recharge problem. Now the thing is, TikTok bot will give you the solution for it. All you have to do is follow these on-screen instructions to fix it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.